You may communicate with the Customer Loyalty Center right from the CustomerConnect portal. To access the Messages section, click the Menu option in the upper left-hand portion of the screen. There are two different ways you can access the Messages section of the CustomerConnect portal. If you hover over the My Account submenu and select My Messages, you will be brought to the Messages section. If you select Ask a Question from the main menu, you will be brought to the same place. The Ask a Question or My Messages section of the CustomerConnect portal will allow you to submit a question or service request directly to our Customer Loyalty Center. You will also be able to see a message queue, which shows previously sent messages and any current messages that are waiting to be resolved. On the left-hand side of the screen is the Ask a Question section, where you can submit a question or a service request directly to Viking Termite and Pest Control's Customer Loyalty Center. To help answer your question or solve your concern on the first communication, we do have some tips and tricks for making your email include all the information we could need. In the subject line, indicate whether this is a question regarding your account or a service request. In the question section, be as specific as possible. Note what kind of pest concern you're having and where it's located. Also, be sure to include any scheduling restrictions, such as days you are unavailable or preferred service times. For questions regarding your account, be as detailed as possible. If you would like to include any attachments, such as photos of your pest concern, you may upload them in the Attachments section. Enter your name in the Name section, and then select how you would like the Customer Loyalty Center to contact you once we receive your message. Once you are ready to submit your question, click the Submit option at the bottom portion of the screen. The Message Queue area will show any messages that have previously been sent, and you will see a Resolved or Not Resolved indicator on the right-hand side. Resolved messages have been communicated back to you by our Customer Loyalty Center. Unresolved messages are currently in the queue for a response. If you would like to view more details on your messages, simply click in the message. Resolved messages will show the message that was sent, when you sent it, your name, and your email address. Unresolved messages will have an option to add additional comments. If you would like to reach our Customer Loyalty Center by phone, you may call us at 1-800-618-BUGS. That's 1-800-618-2847. If you would like to watch more videos on how to navigate the CustomerConnect portal, visit vikingpest.com and navigate to the Resources section. In the CustomerConnect portal section of the website, you can access a full playlist of all videos on how to navigate the CustomerConnect portal. Thank you for being a Viking Termite and Pest Control customer. To access a playlist of all CustomerConnect portal videos, please click here.